Just like learning is a mindset, teaching is also a mindset. How often have you heard that when we were your age and when we were in this phase of life, there was no one to teach us anything. We learned everything by ourselves. Okay, I'm really sorry that you had to go through all that struggle, and I'm proud of you for teaching yourself so much. But you see, being who you needed but never really had is a choice, a conscious voluntary choice that either you opt for or you don't. Imagine walking up to someone and saying that, hey, I saw your name in the list of co-authors on that thematic paper. Can you please teach me how to write a thematic paper? Only to be met with the response that, oh, I was only part of a team. I don't really know how it's done. I don't think I can teach you anything. Okay, if you were part of the team and you have done even 10% of the work, you have walked 10 steps ahead of me, right? I am only asking you to teach me those 10 steps. I'm not asking you to teach me how to run. I'm not asking you to train me for a marathon. What I'm asking you is very much doable because you have walked those 10 steps ahead of me, and all I'm asking you is to teach me how to walk those exact 10 steps. So just like learning is a mindset, teaching is also a mindset because generosity is a mindset. And if you are someone who is looking around for a mentor in the field, someone to teach you your craft better, please remember that sometimes you will find people around you who will probably have read just 2 chapters more than you, who will probably have had just one project's worth more experience than you have, but they will be so much more willing and generous to share all that they have learned with you selflessly. They will give you the disclaimer that it's just all that they have learned, it may or may not work for you, but they will still be way more helpful to you than maybe someone with 10 degrees, a 100-page resume, and 1,000 accomplishments who will only respond to your questions with, I think you can teach yourself that because there was no one to teach me anything. I understand how disheartened you might feel in the moment, and I also understand your tendency to go down the spiral of, if I'm not able to teach myself my craft, it means that I'm not good enough for this profession. If I'm not able to learn by myself without anyone's help, it just shows my incompetency. No, it doesn't. Trust me, it doesn't. Yes, it is important to be able to teach yourself stuff. Yes, it is important to be a self-motivated learner, but it is also important and possible to have other people teach you what they know. So please battle through the moments of disappointments and don't stop looking for mentors and teachers in your field because of not so pleasant experiences that you have had so far. Sometimes you will find a teacher, a mentor, someone to accompany you through the journey, through phases of the journey from the most unexpected quarters. So be more receptive of the help and the knowledge that come your way.